Fake nicey on the beat.
Give the kid this.
Fake nicey on the beat.
Give the kid this.
It's fake nicey on the beat.
Give the kid this.
I'm done installing this hair. Oh god, this hair is so cute, guys. This is actually a body wave 20-inch lace front wig. This hair is everything, like it's so thick at the ends, like it's so thick, and it came out so nice. There was no tangling, no shedding, no bad smell. Everything came out just like that, no tangling also. So guys, in case you're interested in this hair is actually a 20-inch body wave lace frontal hair, unprocessed virgin human hair. So guys, in case of more details, you can actually just check in the description box down below more details to this hair, more hairs they have in their store link, their website, everything will be there, their social medias, everything, maybe to follow up on, maybe you have some questions and all that. So guys, let me know what you think about this hair. Do you think this hair is actually so nice? Can you rock this hair? And they have other inches, they have in long inches, but this is what actually I wanted, and it came out perfectly, guys. So guys, let me know what you think. And the lace melted perfectly, and as you can see me earlier, or while installing it, I used my powder to just, you know, tint the lace a bit, because it was a little bit not my skin tone, but it's apart from that, every other thing is so nice. I love this so much, and you know, I bring the best hair for you guys. So guys, let me know what are your thoughts about this hair. Do you think you can actually rock this hair in 20 inches, or maybe in 18 inches, in 22? Just let me know your thoughts about in the comment section. Thank you guys, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.